Hi there, folks. This is Randy, and you're on the TheTrampsworld Motorsports channel. And today it's a Sunday. It's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. And look around you, see nothing but sunshine. And we're down here at Pirates Den Resort, Parker, Arizona. And we're down here to watch the ADBA races. They're opening drag boat season races. And we were here yesterday and shot a little video. And it was kind of cloudy and cold, and well, cold for us is if it's 50 degrees in Arizona, we're in trouble. And anyway, so it's cold, and then it got really windy, and we took off. Now this morning we came down here and we shot a little bit of video for you. And now we're gonna jump down inside, and hopefully they get these boat races going for you. And you come down, and one of the first things you notice is everybody's awning is taken down because last night they had like 40-mile-an-hour winds blowing everything around. But this is a display of SoCal jet boats. You can buy all kinds of merch. Hey, SoCal jet boats.
How's it going?
How you doing, man?
Good, are you?
Hey, did you have fun last night? Did it blow off, or did you take it down?
I took them off because it was too windy. I didn't have to worry about it in sleep.
Yeah, I left about 2:30 yesterday. I said, that's enough for me.
Yeah.
But I thought about you guys. I said, well, I know that they're taking this stuff down.
Thank you.
But you look like you had a busy booth yesterday, though.
Yeah, I was busy yesterday until that wind picked up.
Yep, exactly. All right, man. I'll talk to you later on.
Good talking to you too.
So you look them up SoCalJetBoats.com. And if you watch my channel, you've seen a lot of them. And a portion of today's video is brought to you by Seam Dreams Upholstery. That's Seam Dreams in Lake Havasu City, Arizona. And they do boat covers and boat tops, you know, like those Bimini covers. They hand fit everything. They do upholstery for your boats and for your cars, your side-by-sides. So you look them up at seamdreams.com, or you call 928-486-6166. So we're right over here, and usually I can't even get near this place. And today is a different story. Wow. All right, so what we have over here is we have the starting line with nothing there.
Yes, that's what it is.
There's starting line with nothing there. right, guys, it's been a beautiful weekend, or an interesting one. I would say Saturday was so beautiful, but today was a beautiful day. Watching the fast boats. I want to remind you to like the video, comment on the video, share the video with a friend, subscribe to the Tramps World, and make sure you hit that notification button because we've got lots of videos coming to you. We've got a lot of fun stuff. And we'll be busy every single weekend out shooting videos. All right, till next time, be safe, be happy, and be kind to others.